Hi dear students, welcome back to the third session of the Science on class. Students, hope you understood the second video and understand the topic what I have taken. Shall we move on to the third session of the class today? Okay. In the second session, we discussed so many points about the lesson measurement. In that, the very important content we learned is 7 fundamental quantities. Students, can you say along with me the 7 fundamental quantity once again? Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, etc. Okay. In this out of 7 fundamental quantities, this length, mass and time already we revised in our lower classes a lot. So, I think we need not to discuss the same thing again. Length, mass and time. Shall we move on to the fourth fundamental quantity? Temperature. What is the fourth fundamental quantity? Temperature. What is this temperature spelling? Temperature. Temperature. If you'll go to the doctor, suppose if you have a fever, the doctor will say you have this much temperature is increased. So what is the meaning of this temperature? Temperature is nothing but degree of hotness or coldness of a body. I repeat again, temperature is nothing but degree of hotness or coldness of a body. And what is the unit of the temperature? The unit of the temperature is Kelvin, that already we revised. The symbol is K. The unit of temperature is Kelvin and the symbol is K. Here some examples I have drawn. Along with this example, I'll again explain you temperature. The first one, ice cream. Second one, ice cube. Third one, the wood is burning. If you eat the ice creams, you feel chillness. If you take the ice cubes in your hand, you feel chillness. The burning wood, if you stand nearby the burning wood, you feel the hotness. So what is temperature? So temperatures refers both coldness or hotness of a body. Okay. If you want to measure a temperature, we need an instrument. What instrument that is? Thermometer. Students, do you remember this thermometer? So many types of thermometer we discussed in our 7th standard. Okay. So we need not to discuss again the description of the thermometer. What is the usage of thermometer? Thermometer is an instrument which is used to measure the temperature of a body. It may be hotness or coldness. Okay. The thermometer is an instrument which is using different scales. What are the scales the thermometers has? Kelvin scale thermometer, Celsius scale thermometer, Fahrenheit scale thermometer. Okay. Here some models of diagrams I have drawn for the Celsius scale, Kelvin scale and Fahrenheit scale. Okay. Here I have written some values at the bottom as well as at the top of the scales of Kelvin, Celsius, Fahrenheit. Okay. What is this? Lower part value represents and what is this upper part value represents? Okay. This LFP, that is lower fixed point. UFB, what is the abbreviation? Upper fixed point. So LFB means it is lower fixed point. Okay, what is the lower fixed point of the Kelvin scale? 273 Kelvin. For the case of Celsius, it is 0 degree Celsius. For the Fahrenheit, it is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, move on to the upper point. For the Kelvin scale thermometer, it is 373 Kelvin. For a Celsius, it is 100 degree Celsius. For a Fahrenheit scale, it is 212 degree Fahrenheit. What is this? Lower fixed point and upper fixed point refers. The lower fixed point refers melting point of the pure ice. Students, what is the melting point of the pure ice? 0 degree Celsius. Okay. What is this upper fixed point refers? This upper fixed point refers the boiling point of water. Students, what is the boiling point of the water? The boiling point of the water is 100 degrees Celsius. Again, come to the different scales of thermometers. Students, here from the upper to the lower, there is a 100 degree intervals for each scale. That is Kelvin scale, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Each has a 100 degree interval. Here you can find some values written in the middle. What it represents? It represents the normal body temperature. Okay. In terms of Kelvin, it is 310 Kelvin, the normal body temperature of our body. In terms of Celsius scale, it represents 37 degrees Celsius of our normal body temperature. In case of Fahrenheit, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, our normal body temperature. Okay. Students, you may have a doubt where we are using the scales and all, where we are using the scales of thermometers and all. Yes, where we are using. First, we will move on to the Fahrenheit. Our doctors used to use the Fahrenheit scales. Who will use the Celsius scale? The weather reporters will choose the Celsius scale. Then, what is the usage of the Kelvin scale thermometer? Scientists used to use the Kelvin scale. Students, I hope you understood detailedly about this scales of temperature. Again, I will repeat. Kelvin scale, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. The lower fixed point 273, upper fixed point 373 Kelvin. For Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, upper fixed point 100 degrees Celsius. For Fahrenheit scale, lower fixed point 32 degree Fahrenheit, upper fixed point 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Then, how to convert these readings? General formula. What formula you have to use for this? Yes. General formula to convert from one category to the another category, that is C minus 0 degree by 100. What does C stands for? Celsius scale. F, Fahrenheit minus 32 degree by 180 degree. K, Kelvin minus 273 degree Celsius by 100 degree. Again, I repeat the general formula for the conversion of the different scales of thermometers. C minus 0 by 100, F minus 32 by 180, K minus 273 by 100. Here, one new do you know we are going to learn now. For these scales of thermometers, we should have an physical contact to the system, but for an infrared thermometer, I repeat again, infrared thermometer, which will measure the temperature of an object without any physical contact. Again, I repeat the do you know. The infrared thermometer measure the temperature of an object without any physical contact. That's all about today's third session of an Science on Video, students. Shall we revise once again what we learnt in this video? First, we learnt about temperature. What is temperature? Degree of hotness or coldness of a body, and its unit is Kelvin, and it is measured by the thermometer. And we have the three scales of thermometer: Kelvin scale, Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and we learnt about their lower fixed point and upper fixed point. And we also learnt where we using these types of scales. And last we learnt about a general formula for the conversion, and also we learnt about the info bits. Before we'll move on to the fourth session of the video, students, revise the third session of the Science 1 content. Revise well. Go through the video again. We'll continue in the fourth session video. Thank you.